Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work, so save files and close apps. Once done, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager and locate Windows Explorer under Processes. Right-click it, choose End Task, then use File right arrow Run New Task and type Explorer. EXE or click Restart if available. This forces the taskbar to reload. It often resolves responsiveness without a reboot. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the shell to rebuild before proceeding to the next fixes. If restarting Explorer didn't fix it, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. These commands fix corrupted components that affect the taskbar. Next, create a temporary local user to see if the issue is profile-specific. Sometimes a damaged user profile breaks the shell. Also inspect services. Ensure shell experience host and search are running. If stopped, start them, and note any. As a final set of actions, reset taskbar settings by toggling taskbar behaviors or clear icon cache manually to remove corrupt entries. Make sure Windows Update is current, install pending updates, and reboot. Many fixes apply only after restart. If problems persist, try System Restore to a point before the issue, or perform an in-place repair install to preserve files. Troubleshooting tip: if taskbar still fails, test with a clean boot to isolate third-party software conflicts that block the shell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.